Yeah, so we're ready for a new bicycle trip today. I think we will go to Fort Stevens. You also ready, Nicole?
I am ready.
Let's go for it.
Yes, let's do it.
Yeah, and today we're trying out some new microphones. Here for my DJI Pocket 3, I bought some wireless microphones. Okay, Nicole, can you try to say something so we can hear if your microphone works?
I'm saying something. Ha ha.
Ah, ha, ha. Let's see if that gets on the video. Hopefully it does. So we want to go and check out Fort Stevens. That's all the way out the land we can see far out with some trees there.
Well,
So what's up, Nicole?
I finally found a sand dollar that I think is complete.
Oh,
It's complete on the one side. That has been pecked out by the birds.
oh,
Mm-hmm.
see. Oh yeah. One side complete. Wonder what that is somewhere.
Driftwood.
Maybe it's just driftwood. Yep, it's some big wood logs. Yeah, so we're here in front of Peter Iredale. That's a bit different now, coming off the path there, or off the beach. Now we have a bicycle path to follow instead. But this is the Fort Stevens National Park. Yeah, it's cold today. Oh man. And here is a lake called Coffenbury Lake. Well, there are people out fishing, I can see. What's going on? See if they catch anything. Oh, kayak rentals. That's pretty cool. So you can actually rent these. Take them out on the lake. And paddleboards too. It's a nice lake here.
Oh, these are the ones, right? Almost look like the ones I used in oh, they're not as long
In Florida? Okay, and to the right here we go to Battery Russell. So let's try to do that. I can do that too. Yeah, this is fun riding these paths here. Yeah, and I think we get out to that road, go to the right, and we should go back to Battery Russell, that direction. Yeah, I got our microphones connected again. I think they were off. I think it was when we were at the beach. I turned the camera off, and then the microphones turned off too. So, but they should be on again now. So hope we have better sound. I can do that too.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's over the road. That's the one we can see when we drive. Don't stop. You said don't stop?
Don't stop.
Okay, I thought you said stop. Yeah, we're getting cold now. Our fingers are cold, especially. And your toes. Oh man.
I'm done.
You're done. We'll get out on the main road and then head straight home. Right up there we have Battery Russell. Yeah, so here we have the bridge we just passed over. That's the one. Yeah, look how cool. There's a lake here and some houses down by the lake. They're kind of by this, yeah, what do we call this? The back road into Warrington. It's pretty cool.
I really like this area too.
Yeah, it is. It's a really beautiful area. Golf course here. And we are on Coffenbury Lake. So we are home. Oh man, that was a good trip. And just like that, we are home. Look at that. We survived. It was a long trip.
That was a long trip.
Oh man. Oh man, was it good.
Yeah.
Feels so nice.